Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Morris Mini and this is by Tomica from their premium series. So I think I bought this for somewhere around 1100 rupees. Not only this, the entire premium lines I'm talking about. Most of them I bought for around 1100 because a lot of people are asking me for how much I'm buying all these things. Honestly, most of the times I don't even remember because I'm buying it at some point in time and I'm unboxing it in entirely different time. So usually I don't remember all those things unless or until it is a hard wheels or majority or not even majority. Most of the times it is just hard wheels, I'll just remember. But rest of the things, because it's not official in India now, so each people in Facebook pricing in a different manner. Some people are selling it for 1100, some are selling it for 1400, 1300. So it's really hard to remember. So I think this one I bought it for 1099 if I'm not wrong, and I bought it from Facebook. Just check in Madhouse and Diecast India group, we will be able to get it. Okay, let's unbox and see how this one looks. Okay, I don't know if it is older casting or very new one, but a lot of people are asking about this Morris Mini, and I personally do like Mini Cooper and Morris Mini because it is a very compact car actually. Okay, the scale is 1 is to 50, so a lot of people are actually, since if you are new to collecting, and if you want to start off with a good brand, my personal suggestion would be Tomica if you have that budget, because Tomicas are now ranging somewhere between, from mainlines starting from 500 or so till premiums ranging to like 1000. And there are others, cars like movie specific to a movie franchise and all, it ranges till 1400 or 1500 around that range. So if you have the budget, I would say go out for that one, you won't be get disappointed. Okay, let's unbox this one. Okay, let me just put this box aside. There is nothing inside the box. So there are few Tomicas which comes with some, like removable parts and all, which does look really cool if you ask me. I do like those kind of things. Okay, so let's talk about this particular casting. See, normally most of the Tomicas, when it comes to premium series, it does have some kind of movable part, but there are few cars which doesn't have that. One among those is this one. So as I mentioned, and it does have acrylic headlights, which is really nice. So the casting looks really beautiful, it looks really cute. So far I don't see any paint job issue here. The white is really nice and clean, and even the red is really clean. I don't know if this is openable. No, it is not openable. The grill details look really nice, and so I don't see any scratches here, which is really good. So it has tail light details here. So tail light details are, yeah, it is painted. Since I'm seeing through my privacy protector, I'm not able to see a lot of details like you are seeing, guys, when you are watching this video. So the logo placement is really beautiful. I mean, I don't see any problem with this casting. It is absolutely beautiful. And see, when it comes to Tomica Premium, it is like metal body and plastic chassis along with plastic wheels. So this is how they do. And I bought one TLV recently, one of the Nissan Skyline, I guess. I will be showcasing that soon. I will be unboxing that soon. So that is absolutely gorgeous. So it does have some interior detail to it, which is really nice, and it does look really beautiful. Okay, let's see if it has suspension. Okay, it doesn't have suspension, which is odd because like 95% of the Tomicas actually has suspension. But I'm not worried about that. But if it is having that, then it is going to look really good. So it does have some issue with the paint here. If I'm looking with my naked eye, I can see that there's some, you can see here, paint trash kind of thing. I really don't know how old this casting is. So okay, let's do a roll test. As usual, the Tomicas don't really roll really well, and it has a lot of wheel wobble on both wheels, as you can see. See, if you ask me, Tomica specifically for collectors, because it is just pure art, if you ask me. And I can say it is true to scale as far as I know, unless Hot Wheels or whatever Mattel is putting out. This is a beautiful casting. So let's weigh this casting. I forgot to do that. Even I want to see. I'm really curious how much this weighs because it is very light. Okay, 37 grams, right? Yeah, 37 grams. So it actually feels very light. It doesn't even feel heavy. Since it's metal body and plastic chassis construction, somewhere around 37 to 40 would be ideal weight for this kind of castings. Okay, so the bumper is actually plastic. This is not metal. So only the body is metal. This front bumper is also plastic. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.